Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one important chapter in chemistry, P block elements. Why do I say this is important? Because every year you get 4 or 5 questions from this chapter. Let us see what areas to prepare in this chapter. And this is a big chapter, so students find it difficult to prepare, but however you should not omit this chapter. Okay, so let us see what are the concepts you have to focus in this chapter. Again, this chapter includes the elements from 13 to 18, 6 elements including boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogens and noble gases. Here you should be thorough with the important compounds, their preparation, uses, all those things you should be thorough with. And when you are talking about these elements, you should be thorough with the physical chemical properties, orders, exceptions to orders, all these are the area that you should be thorough with. Okay, so other than that, oxides of nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and their structures, these are the areas and it covers the complete P block elements. Okay, so generally we get questions from the important concepts area or from the physical chemical properties and the exceptions in orders. Okay, so these are the areas where we get questions and sometimes from oxides also. Okay, let us see how questions were. What are the questions that were asked over the last 3 years from 2018 to 2020. Okay, so in 2018 you had 4 questions in this chapter. One was from nitrogen compounds and the question was about decreasing order from oxidation state. Okay, and all those questions that I have mentioned, it is easy. Easy means it is direct from NCERT. Okay, so if I have mentioned M means it is moderate. Moderate because even though the question is not too difficult, I mentioned it moderate as that is not directly from NCERT. Okay, of course from the concepts of NCERT. When you are preparing P block or any of the inorganic chapters, don't prepare beyond NCERT. You will not get any questions beyond the concepts of NCERT. Okay, so second question in the same year 2018 you had one from boron family, anomalous properties, exceptions to it, and the question was from NCERT and it was easy. And same family you had another question, atomic radii order exception, and that question also from NCERT, so students felt it easy. You had one from halogens from group 870 and it was a statement based question, however that is from NCERT, so student felt it easy. All 4 questions in 2018 are only from NCERT, so the student felt all the questions from P block elements easy that year. Okay, let us see what are the questions in the year 2019. 2019 you had 5 questions from P block elements, and what are those questions is, one is for method from the area of method of preparation, that is the process names are given and the question type was match the following. So that was the same process names, everything is all given in the NCERT, so it is direct from NCERT, so student felt it easy. Another question was from phosphorus pentachloride. So this is a statement based question from structures. It is given in NCERT, so it's a direct question from NCERT, so student felt it easy. Another question you had from oxygen family about thermal stability of oxygen, so that was also again from NCERT, so direct, it was easy. And one question you had from noble gases with the structures from NCERT, student felt it easy. From carbon family you had about this inner pair effect, it's also from NCERT, so students felt it easy. Okay, so you had all 5 questions easy and it is from the concepts of NCERT. In 2020 again you had 4 questions plus 1 question combining the chemical bonding concept. Okay, so 4 to 5 questions I would say. Let us see what are the questions in 2020 from this chapter. You had 1 question from nitrogen family and this question you will be able to answer. You had equations, you would have learnt equations in NCERT, and this question you will be able to solve by linking the equations. So it is not directly as given in the NCERT, equations are in NCERT, you have to link and answer. Okay, so I have mentioned it as moderate because it is not exactly from NCERT, however from the concept of NCERT. Okay, another question you had in oxides of P block. So it is a match the following question, you have to find it as basic, acidic, you have to match it. Okay, so that was also easy because it is directly from NCERT. One question was from carbon family about importance of important compounds. It is directly from NCERT, so students felt it easy. Another question was based on structures. Oxo acids of sulfur, you had one in that question, and it is also from NCERT concept. It was felt easy by the student. You had one question in zero dipole moment. So that question you will be able to answer only if you are thorough with the structures, okay, of the chemical bonding. Okay, so it's a combination of both the chapters. So I am not mentioning it as easy because it is not directly as in NCERT, but from the concepts of NCERT. Okay, so I have mentioned it as moderate. So these are the questions you had over the last 3 years. It is not too difficult. It is either easy, sometimes moderate. I call it as moderate because it is from the concepts of NCERT, but combining one or two concepts. Okay, it is not directly as given as such. Otherwise, most of the questions are direct exactly from NCERT lines. So when it comes to block elements, be thorough with your NCERT. You will be able to answer all the questions. Thank you. All the best. Do watch my videos for updates of must do chapters in NEET.